Lekker vrijdag mensen. Lekker vraag mensen, lekker vrijdag. Lekker vrijdag mensen. Well, anyway guys. Melon. Guys, vandaag ik ga het eten. Lekker vrijdag mensen, lekker vrijdag. Vrijdag. Lekker vrijdag mensen. Kom maar tot de route gaan tussen pedi felle beetje kwal. Two things beetje kwal. Lekker vrijdag. Ke tswa mo khotsi wa ka. Ne ke tsama le ba khotsi ba ka ba babedi. Sure. A khotsi ba ka ba babedi. So ba khotsi ba ka ba babedi. Ba ne ke ba tshaketse. Ye mong ke Schofield. Ba khotsi ba ka ba babedi. So ye mong ke Lentina ro ka Superman Lentina. Lentina. So ke tlo tshekela ba khotsi ba ka ba babedi. Khaleletsang re mitsa khale ne re ja nama ya braai hahaya and then this Schofield ne so how do I check it for the monat about no not at home. Kapautima aircon. Ke kupautima aircon. Aircon o ke ntho e lightang le boteng ke hitara le bota ke a tseba le tseba. Ke kupautima aircon. Aircon ke hitara le bota. E dula mang. Aircon o ke ntwane e white. E na le remote aircon. Ke kupautima hanya. Because that's wrong. Nna le bothata ba o se tsebe aircon o ke. So ha ke tshaketse mo tswa ka khali le ntho le Scofield. So le monate mo re be se nama ne so ke tswa mo so ke tlo ruta hanyane fela guys hanyane sefapang a ke batlo nka na go etele next today ke batla tlo bua ka Bishop Gatebe and today ke thotse chance ya o mamela. Thank you Murutwa. Guys, today ho la ke fela ke batla tlo ruta ka ditaile two tile ditaile tse 3 ditaile tse 3 tsa batho ba kgathetseng mogotsi wa ka o itse ke rute ka tsona mosadi wa yona kgathetse today mogotsi wa yona mosadi wa yona kgathetse a hla Joburg so mogotsi wa ka so ke bolela e mong wa bagotsi ba ka ke mogotsi ha re tsamaye because mogotsi wa ka mosadi wa qeta o fihla nong so ha re tsamaye so mogotsi wa ka o re e mong o hana o tsamaya ke re ho yena ha re tsamaye so that mogotsi wa ka e mong a tsebetsa ditshebeletso tsa masepala wa bona a tsebetsa ditshebeletso tsa masepala wa bona nna ke re tsamaye e mong wa hana ha ke foster yenwa e mong ke re ha re tsamaye so that mogotsi wa ka a tsebetsa ditshebeletso tsa masepala wa bona mosadi wa yo re a ke kgathetse ke re ha o kgathale manyalo mosadi re ke kgathetse ke re ha ona chance ya go kgathala ngwanaka ha ona chance ya go kgathala jalo ke mojwetsa ke re mama ho na le ntho e bitswang ho na le style sa batho ba kgathetseng ke kopa le mpotse ke sefe mpotse style sa batho ba kgathetseng when you are tired o sa batle sex mar monna ha a e batla bua le nna ba reng ke bua ka speed ke bomba ba reng bua Dr November kapa sister Jacobeta ba reng ke bua ke bomba yes fela yes ba reng ke sefe style sa batho ba kgathetseng for sex especially basadi ke re bona ba dula ba kgathetse so missionary Sylvia skima salvation a missionary okay our missionary oh my coach on us I will say I'm going to style my coach I will say style is about to be kgathetseng yo and the style is on fire style sa batho ba kgathetseng as a missionary because missionary o tshwantse motho when in a missionary you have to do this missionary no ha ke batlo nka nako e telele guys ke mang ke chicken yes bua papa ke chicken chicken ke kopa ke le first style sa batho ba kgathetseng style se hi ki de sibitswa the sister of the Jaco ibitswa the sister of Doggy Style the younger sister of the Doggy Style Style seo se bitswa the younger sister of the doggy style. Style seo se bitswa the younger sister, the little sister of the doggy style. Salvation wena hle wes. Ibile I salon se bitsa ntwa ditedi wena salvation ko kwatetse. I'm angry for you. So ibitswa ibitswa style sa teng se bitswa the younger sister of the doggy style. Yeah. Style sa teng se bitswa the younger sister of the doggy style. Style so. Ke go ba ke le ruta bana ba ko. Kise. Teng ke le ruta bana ba ka. Ke tla le ruta. Ha le se understanding. Limpitse ke tlo demonstrate life ka tlung. Kise. How about say understand? Umpitse. Kise. Say. Ne. And kise. Then how Robert stand say? How you teaching? How you teaching? How you teaching? I'm a Lord. How you teaching? Or. It is the younger of the doggy style, the little sister of the doggy style. Oh. How to deal? And how Robert teaching? How Robert teaching? Make sure that I'll show how you are made. Mona how you are made. Mona ditulung how you are made. I'll show. Yen how you are made. How you are made. Impundi zaka Chinese. How robale so. How you are so. You must. The same way we are agree. Doggy style high so. Doggy style is so. Doggy is more. O tshwantse go be so. Doggy style o tshwantse go be so. Ne how you teach doggy style. Hey Luna, hey. Doggy style asintwe. Doggy style asintwe. Doggy style asintwe. Doggy asintwe. Or more. Walk on the more. O tshwantse or. Ne up o go back. O go back more. Yo Shaka Zulu. Oban now how go back say or. Ne ha Luna le tla be le go be ile tse hey doggy style tsa lona mara doggy style tsa lona ke tse of man mutete Luna le khathatsa mane fumana o thoko mutente style sa pudi let's the pudi style let's style sa pudi Luna ai Luna let's tell sa di pudi man fotek Arai khona e bohloko doki e high sharp ke ikare wa rapela motho wa hao ke ena ya wrong doggy style monate but it's just that motho wa hao ke ena ya wrong doggy style ya tshwanela ho ba bohloko lona le shapa dipudi style ka Scots hi bokwe style le shapa bokwe style ya lona ai lona le kgathatsa matla lona ai na kgathatsa matla so ka matla hle ke ntse ke batla second wife salvation tlo hle miska tlo mohatsaka tlo skat tlo lona le shapa pudi style Susan man pudi style bokwe style hai it's a pudi style. That one is a pudi style. Doji ngwana doji tshwantse tsisha o roba le tšea ha o qetile o roba le tšea ha o qetile mona o bokobe ore let me tell you how kobe o etsa eng tlo go bolella how kobe o etsa ngwanaka tlo go bolella how kobe o etsa eng how kobe how better how kobe kayo esngweng how kobe se lethekeng o pushetsa delay tsane ke delay tsa kuku di pushetsa ka o di pushetsa morao delay tsa kuku o di pushetsa morao ke kopa ke le hopotse fe just to remind you let me help you Skela tsamaya wa bana Colgate e jwang tlo ke le thusa fela ka speed ke le reminder fela ke robala ka once tata tlo ke le bontsha fela doggy style when o kobile so isn't so ne so isn't so ne wa ba a ke tsebe los boss ba gale ba tla gona na because ha ke tsebe boss ba gale ba tla gona go kobeya jwang a ke tsebe boss ba gale ba tla gona go kobeya jwalo na I doubt I doubt boss ba gale I doubt ba tla gona go kobeya jwalo ai boss ba gale ai bana boss ba gale nka be le dula le ditlolo tsa lona le tloela ntho tsa batjha boss ba gale nka be le tloela ntho tsa batjha le nka di package le kwella bana ba nka be le retire Boss Bakal nane ke re go save di krempe nka be le retire le tloelela bana ke la tsamaya so ke bua ka di position Evangelist Villagas so Boss Bakal totse di nga salona so guys doki style yeah ne ifinye yeah ipushetsa let's say wabon ke le rutile wabon bon ka pilot ba don't get it twisted Colgate kia ingaphakathi ne kia ne but how koba ntwe how ikoba chi wa bona yetsa ipusha Colgate how ikoba okay go ke empty skala tama Ege taking empty obo this one bona Colgate inga phakathi ka hare wa bona ika but how koba ntwetse ne how qetilo ikoba obor bo yabo how ikoba in now Luna doki style how go be or dinama tsena tse ka ra kuku ya ha ne la bana dinama tse ka ra kuku dir hai lona dir Dinam delay tsa kuku tse ka dir di khatlametsa kwai ne luna delay tsa kwai ya hao ha e fitla bon kwai ya hao e fitla very easy yo luna yo luna now bitsa banna ba lona ba nshebelle bitsa banna ba lona hanyane ke batla bua ka di bitsa banna ba lona ba nshebelle hore mosadi ha o heva le yena o mo heva doggy style o mo etsa jwang e reng batla e thina mato tennis e reng bana ba lona ba tle kwang ka speed o dutse le monna if o dutse le monna e re yes if o dutse le monna say yes 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 if monna say yes 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 ka speed fire ke tlo le bontsha hore mosadi wa doggy o have sex le na jwang konka ba dutse le banna say yes wa hana armona hai wa hana yes ye monga yes ka speed ya yes yes manaka ba tlela ko pa qotlela chepisi wena re busy ka di doggy style mo wena salvation akuba ku bua lona go kwatisa butswa yes 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 no don't give it to bana baka don't give it to don't give it to I give back a doggy style. To my fellow ones, doggy style. When you are having sex, the motive got doggy style. Wait, as well. Oh, Sakazula. Ah, yeah. Mama lang ba doggy style. How can you straight teacher? Mama, agree how better missionary. How better missionary? Cleat. How better missionary? Cleat. You di mo. Ila pa peso. Ne? How better doggy style? Cleat. You di mo. But how ko be ache? How ko be ache? Cleat. Ifat mo. Cleat. Ifat. But how better missionary? How better missionary cleat? Idrowdim is a peso. But how better doggy style? Chena. Missionary, I mean, clear how as a woman. If fat, ilapa pants, imona fat. I get to do it. You see, I'm listening very careful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Shabalala. Ishmael Shabala. Let me give you a powerful secret. How much are Robertsi and missionary? Okanachi. Now, cleat Yamusadi. Imon. When I enter missionary. Ne? Cleat imo. Yena ki cleat. I enter missionary. But how kobe are? Cleat ia fat. Cleat ifat. Ne? Wabana cleat you guys. Agree missionary cleat iudim. Ne? But how kobe ache? Ayeta doggy style. Missionary. I mean doggy into cleat imona ne? Fatima. Now when Ntwetsa ngore basadi ba utlwe bohloko when o etsa yo Shakazulu no vu khatetse ki ma reng ke khatetse on tsebe to challenge aya kapa ke ntate kapa ke mme tlo challenge aya now doggy style ke now clit ya ho e fatshe mo ne e fatshe now nthetsa gore basadi ba utlwe bohloko when we have a sex alien it's when o kena straight so when o kena straight so o mutlisa bohloko automatically because already dinamatsane tsa hae delay this delay kapa le dibitsang azanyama zingaphakathi already se di atumetse pela mlomo mona wa kuku when akobeha che especially when I enter that dinamatsane di pela kuku mona di atumetse pela kuku mona now as a man here is the when cliti ilimo ne kena cliti now we enter doggy style ne now we enter so how can it deep we can so we enter so we can so now what like you do the hand country I chepisi antenna I twinny ma chepisi antenna I twinny so how you get so how we can so ne penis ya how it has a clit it has we can so you make sure that penis ya how it can so now how it can so so automatically o tsamaya hodima clit Shaka Zulu. Hi Shaka Zulu. Hi Shaka Zulu. Hi Shaka Zulu. Shaka Zulu. Fire. Shaka. Now, don't get it twisted by the back. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. Mo. Udimu. Mo. Markara guguso. How it has a ushanju ur. Isn't it? Lukisa banaba bambushoko. Luna bontate ba kana straight. You don't go interstraight. You don't go interstraight. You bontate. You don't go interstraight forward. That's Luna Lantina. When Musadi Alpha Doki, you don't go straight forward inside. Huh? Lantina. Now, when we Tasha Udim ene kuku ya basadi udimumu kuku ya basadi udimumu mo ka udimu kamo ka udimu kamo ina lele sobalele kuku mnyomnyo nyapo udimumu kuku ya basadi udimumu skela sama hayi nika hambi bantwana ba skela sama mo udim akiri kele sobade umnonya lo udimumo udim apa pezu mona udim mo udimumo ukenache ubur so how kenache ukena utasha klitiani ufriva klitiani ubukena or udimumo happy hona lele soba relibita an upper room of the sub. Hey, kukomnyumunya. Kiluruta di pirita kukunas. Ibiza the upper room of the sub. Le soba. Libita the upper room of the sub. Lete udimu. Lipezu. Ena basad babangata abatseburu udimu. Kikuku yena kikuku but ka udimu kamo ona kukomnyumunya apho ona le mukoti omong kuko there's a upper room of the le soup there's a upper room of the le soup kile soup the upper room of the listen, I think English. No. Listen, no, I think English. It is the soup. Upper room of the soup. That is why doggy style. No nama tibata fire. That is why women on top basal babangat women on top of Ingastar. Women on top. Aman guys. Tibata ukwa. So so guys, now let's go back to the Bukhatalastang. Amen. Kiriki ukwile. Joal. Thank you, Wanak. I love you. I love you, Kaki. I love you. Now, here is the thing. Now, style is this time. Style is say. Then this time say. It's when you are tired, ne? When you are tired, ne? Now, but when you are tired, your husband is coming from the back city, ne? Your husband. Your husband, when you are tired as a woman, your husband is coming on the back seat. Now, we're not interested. We're not interested. Now, how are you interested? Make sure. Bomme, when romantically keke so, your partner alikamo. Make sure. Kiring. Make sure. Kiring. Guys, make sure. When we Robert saw, make sure, or again, the same way we are done the style so, this place you go there. The same way this place you go there. The same way you go there. Make sure, or even if Robert saw, make sure that make sure make sure wabena still launch Robert. Make sure that wabena. Because it's also a intelligent style. If you ubene, make sure that still wabena. Make sure that wabena more. Wabena. If in China, you're Robanachi. How wapel? You don't wapel. How wapel? How choni? The same doggy style. Upusheta camera uchan by doing that, it also a doggy style is the Lidinyani Kanakin. Again, Kana Lidinyani King English. In John, it's a dinyan. It's a dinyan, yeah. Kana li dinyan ki nka pa inchoncho. It's a dinyan. It's a dinyan of the doggy style. It's a dinyan. Inchoncho. Li dinyan. It's a inchoncho. It's a dinya. Kana dinya ni genka. My legs are real bo Hanovin. We are learning. Can you choose a banana? It's a dinya. It's a puppy. Papi. Ki papi ntongotum. It's a papi. Poopy. Poppy. It's a poppy style. But Lando turn. Now, how can it work? Cabra. Yena cabra. Now, that one, that position, Yona, yeta, you, when ukobeache, ne, then, Howard, ne, Howard, utshwara penis, ya motho, utshwara penis, it's utshwara when o kobeha o thasha penis hae ha o nyamela o tsiti nje e ka re jolo let's say again how bullet e ka re wa checha e ka re ya vuleka kuku ya bule ya bule but how ya pil o tshwara penis how checha ingathi go ya gobeka ya bule then how ya pil hanyane e tshwara penis ya isenga ya hama a ke tsebo hama ke it's a ham ya isenga man ya hama jwale ka how hama khomo I don't know it's a ham it's humming it's woolly how checha ya buleha ne any guys ntone o buleha how ya vuleka it how hanyane it's kuku automatical kuku ya kwaleha then how e ka re ya pele hanyane ya itshwara yo kopa groba ha nkanu la bazala kopa groba le bila ke lokise betaka ke lokise bethe kopa roba ya ai bana ba go kga ya flag it now vala ut ya vala ut no then you don't move rough oh you don't move rough no then how petilo upaka misinya ut now bontate nina bontate bobutbaka now wena as a man you go down na kitika luta ufikawa nini no I get it bontate kiana msadu wa ha ne wentechi ne now as a man your body munna your howling munna your body uskaba atumela pela msadu wa ha uskaba atumela pela hai ne uskaba atumela body ya hai bondat when musadu wa akobeili ne wena usiya mmele wa ushiya umzimba wakhe ubuthawela nje uthawela umusiya mona ubore kuporoba Ismail, I thank you very much. I've learned a lot, even things I didn't know about. Bondat, when as a male, our at male, your body, high touch your body high. When as a man, uchechela morao. Now how kidi buluta zimpunduza case. Ten, ke di bono tsa hae tse. Ne? Ke di bono tsa hae tse. Ne? Once automate, let's say, ke di bono tsa hae tse. Once automate, you are not going to be able to reach exactly how to reach hand. But because one of the things important is, guys, the main target is a cleat. Main target, cleat. Main target. Make sure that as a man, you always rub the cleat. Make sure, zongis, make sure. Now, when, let's say, your body, we are touching. Waban, na kianamot, kianam sadwao, when I kianai. Now, Ustaile, higher qualia. How much when your body is some atmen, make sure that your body haikhe huyen. I'm so name. When I am morale, ubu checha. Now how chechin? Oto mushahache. Now oto rabat litia high. Oto rabache. But liente sokama style. Liente dinyani style. Liente sokama style. Oto shache. Then yana anar fela lot. Anar alukhutlis ar. Then we or. The same way. Don't like to do style or. Ki style sa batho ba kgathetseng bao. Sokama style. Ibitwa Sokama style. Mara ivala sifundile. Adituna hadi leka. Mamel hetabang. You are right. If the tunudisa you are right. You can, your body ikana atumela hanya. But if the tunusai dilo hole, how atumel. If mutu hau anali di bunu so hole, how atumel. Number 2, if luana na lemukaba omuhole, how atumel. How atumel. Nilwa how atumel. Osaha. Ke ditaile sa batho ba kgathetseng when mosadi wa a kgathetse bomme when you are tired o sa batle drama, the drama of sex otile ha ndi qibi otile if o sa batle the drama sex Yo, Susan. Anta se pamisa se rupi, anta se teula a. Yo. Abana taile teo. Ke di taile for basadi ba theohelang, ba kgathetseng. Ninga really sex bantwana bam. Skela lonela sex. Because when monna wa hao abatla sex, o sa movie because wena o khathetse, you are causing a big trouble in your marriage. If you are always tired in your marriage or in your relationship, you are causing an unnecessary havoc. You are causing an unnecessary havoc in your marriage. And that one, 100%. Mpati view Mulotsana. No ke bona ka fane ya arwa bora hlenta tetue rena le bana bao ba tlo follow because ba bona hore le wena o le mma bona o rata ntho tsena tse ba tlo follow Mpati bana bao ba tlo follow because le wena wa di rata dintho tsena ha o bone o le life mo ha bone o le life Mpati ke bona ka fane ya hao hore o Molotsana ke bona ka fane ya hao surname ya hao e bolela hore o Molotsana bana ba hao ha ba bona mama a le mo a ntla commenta dinthong tsa di sex ka mantswe mama le yena wa rata sex ha bona commenta Mpati v Molotsana lena le bana fela o dutse life ya motho a buang ka sex Molotsana tuwe bana ba hao ba to follower because o role model ya bona ntho ngwe le ngwe yo e follower ba e follower ntho ngwe le ngwe e rata ba e rata bana ba hao ke bona ka surname ya hao o Molotsana wa gale ke bona ka surname ya hao o Molotsana wa gale o batla Mpati mo akere wena you need to be a role model ya bana ba hao o ba rute hore ba shebelle eng le wena o ska ba di shebella dintho tse snacks so o kene ke bone ka surname ya hao hore o Molotsana ka nnete motho o file surname eo o bone o Molotsana skebenga sa gale o tsotsi ya gale ya Molotsana ya bo Molotsana modimo a blesse motho o fileng surname motho modimo am blessetse motho o fileng surname eo Mpati v Molotsana skebenga sa gale nana rena le bana marudutse o shebeletsa qetile wa comment o commentela ntho yo sa rateng Molotsana guys Molotsana o ntinela hle so guys na qetile ne ke re fela ke fana ka di tip tsa batho ba sa batleng o khosa the frustration the relationship tsa bona ye ka nolwela umdino tlela o lwanela mogathala ka ramanyalo a lona tlela o lwanela dintho mogathala ha nna ke kgathetse a bana ba ka skela lwanela mogathala heaven sex hona le ditaile tsa batho ba kgathetseng hona le ditaile tsa batho ba sharp. If you are tired, don't allow a tiredness to spoil your marriage or your relationship. Ke a lo kopa bana ba ka ska la dumela ibang le ditaile tsa mogathala le be le ditaile tseo le tsebang I mean ibang le di position o tseba hore this position ke mogathala then have a position ya o tsebang hore this position ena yona ke ya who explore ibani na ma position bantwana bam ibani di position tsa mogathala le skela dumela mogathala wa lona o break lenyalo la lona number 2 o ska dumela mogathala o break a relationship ya hao don't allow a tiredness to spoil your marriage izana maqhinga bantwana bam tlonka di plan tlonka di strategy and ya uqetela discussang jwetsa motho baby today I'm doing this round is for you xelele umuntu wakho mujwetsa motho baby this one is for you jwetsa motho baby this one is for you mujwe ngale mujwe le ngeyakule mujwe baby today I'm tired motwaka but I keep asking for rukwatelano but this one is for you. Runa banna ntho re batlang go qhama, runa banna ntho re batlang ke o ruta qha funu qhama re batla o ruta ntho re batlang banna ntho ba e batlang ke o ruta qha se funu qhama bantwana bam ntho re batlang ke mqhama se funu qhama aga ruta. And if o tiba monyaka o ruta o toto go pala le ntata Grumpy ya kwatileng o tato qumbileng o toto kopala le ntata kwatileng o qumbileng monna asing happy ya Grumpy ki Grumpy monna a Grumpy a kwatileng monna re batla go ruta motho a galletseng sex ntho e batlang go ruta le basadi the same thing re batla go ruta funu khama ntona funu khama ndi funu khama ka bantu ba ruta batla go ruta ngi nna sa ithole batla go ruta now like this cars o jetse motho baby this one now I'm tired ne? But I'm not going to but you must know that I'm tired, but this one is for you, babe. Kofa yena for you. They are cool. Babe. How to tell better into the Dinyani style. How to be soon come. Muna house. Thank you, Jesus, back. Come Monday. I mean, come Wednesday. Red room. Negirutaka sex. It's finally when only constipated. If you are constipated, how be comfortable? Your body will be right. Now unga toilet. Osa khonu kaka. How be right if you constipated? The only time you can right, it's when you get a toilet or flower kaka. Haman kaka atwa, you become relieved. The same way if you toriki muruto, ufunu kam, utoriki muruto. Oba, I'll be comfortable. The only time you can relieved, it's when you get a toilet or flower kaka. The same way. Sex, when you sex, and then unga usa khono we tola uba angry uba bitter uba emotionally bitter uba emotionally uncomfortable uncomfortable immediately we have sex ubo come immediately you are free born born you are free how could because when usa sperm when usa sperm sex it's like when we are constipated sex constipated. That is why some of you when sex you become okay. How you become okay because that time sexual frustration. If it was sex frustration, if it was sexual frustration, you are sexually frustrated. Sexually frustrated. You are not okay. You can't think okay. You can't play. You can't think. When you are sexually frustrated, when you are too sex. That is why other people, they end up by you Zaminwana. Mutayete DJ Akami, Ababa relief. Baba party bayeta the toy ba rote baba okay baba blow drop about that blow drop but come baba okay because the only thing that is needed could come so have a valid position so kamisa mutu wa how ka utimor baby and guys it's a net about utimali position it's mutu aditiba I mean take kamisa mutu ka speed a valid position it's all tomorrow. Ke mo khamisa very quick motho waka di mo khamisa ka speed e ba le di position tsore yena ke a tseba ha ke etsa so ke mo khamisa ka speed if ke tsipa if ke movement move rather umkhamise ka speed because wena maybe you are tired, you want to relax, you want to sleep, murutise ka speed mo etso ra rute ka speed e ba le di position tso tsebang gore yena yona ha ke etsa so ke a tseba ke murutisa ya bokhamisa bro o ruta no khamisa la bantu ben bantwana ba o rutise ndodenga khamiba nomsindo kwata monna sa rotang kwata Susan. It's like how we have sex, then muto was a rutis. Oba frustrated. When was a come, mutabat etile, when was a come. Oh, Ikarokaya next door, papa, Ulufutar mama, Nekupon get no munda how I tell. We want to, no. What? Ronald in a few months is a car. Pile Misito ya luna li kwatile li envy. Robert August. Full camas. Oh, it's quasi. I told you, you're not. What August? Funo kama na le batho ba sa rutising di partner tsa bona ko re ka ro ka lo tsusanta twa ka next door mama koko ne go kopang ka dime monna hao a tlo nrutisa because monna ka o hlotse na ba nna ba sa rutising basadi ba bona ka ba sa rutising di girlfriend tsa bona ko re girlfriend e ka re ka ya ka next door fitla re koko Mama, Coco, Mama, ne kopang ka dime monna hao a tlo nrutisa o tla gutla yo pastor be ke styling ke tsore ke khame ha monate hape woka Ona ko pan ba thosa tsibindo ke style lo Utwe karo ka di manta twa ka next door ora to ka to khamise le re motho ke na khamme ka speed a qetlile wa roba Nga jwetsa nna ke Dr. November Betile Stella sinya manyalo nna ka baka la mokhathala Iban le di position tsa mokhathala o ya ba le position ke umdino ne ha ke khathetse nna le mosodo ka ratse ba re tlo jana so because we are tired ke tsa mokhathala iban le di position ha o qetile have a way tiba taile tsa o rutisa motho ka speed o tswe sena ke study se ke mo rutisang ka speed ha ke batla mo qeta hona jwale ke mo qeta jwang ko o tsibor sena ke style sa o mo qeta ndi amqhiba ngoku kuphele ngaye a ruti no ba roba Thank you until we meet again Thank you guys, I love you Ndete wanendo wata wanika novi Bye guys Susan so wait wait yo wait Bye guys, I love you. Mwah. 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 And the lekker vrijdag, hè. Kita tulela. Kena itile hitar. Kita tulela. Guys, thank you so much. Lekker vrijdag na insinyele tsaur. Yo, but marano vuena. Re tsaba lu dumela because jwale on a experience ya sex. But one time I was an experience in the sex. But one time I straight man on a experience in that. Can it in Sielis or Laker Frida? What you can experience in that and peer sex? Bye. I love you. Number is 073. Old salvation. That's my fear too high. Salvation. Sex like communicator. Like communicator remote. Neiteta stand some. Neiteta. Neiteta. There is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Nyakwazi ukuthetha libuye lemoto liya communicate abanabaka. So number tsaka ke 073 202 9079 073 202 9079 073 202 9079. Goodbye.